How many of you can write the chemical equation for photosynthesis correctly? So I've noticed that most students of biology actually struggle with the concept of chemical equation, especially when it comes to photosynthesis and respiration. And in this very video, teacher Luca is going to use the knowledge of chemistry to teach us how to write the chemical equation for photosynthesis. But before that, let's know what photosynthesis is. So the word photo stands for light. Synthesis stands for manufacture or produce. Are you following? Now, photosynthesis is simply a process by which green plants manufacture their own food. How do they manufacture this very food? So they actually use carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, okay, and water from the soil in the presence of what? Light energy, that is sunlight, to actually manufacture and of course produce their own food, which is glucose, giving off oxygen. Are you following? Because of course they don't take oxygen. We humans and of course animals take in oxygen while the plants take in carbon dioxide. Are you following? Now let's look at the equation. So for my definition, I said the plants actually use carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, okay, plus H2O, which is water from the soil in the presence of sunlight to actually manufacture their own food. And the food they actually produce is C6H12O6 plus what? O2, which is oxygen gas. This is glucose, oxygen gas. Are you following? Now, for the students of biology, let's apply chemistry here. Okay? So, what I have on my left-hand side, what I mean by left-hand side is before the arrow, right? I have my left. So that is simply the site containing my reactants. Are you following? So carbon dioxide and H2O are my reactants on the left-hand side. Do you understand? Now, after the arrow comes my products. So my products are on the right-hand side. They are simply glucose and what? And oxygen gas. Do you understand? Now, the equation for photosynthesis is a 6-6 equation. All right? Now, let's balance this very equation. So, on the left-hand side, we have one carbon atom, and on the right-hand side, we have 6 carbon atoms. So, what do? We simply add 6 in front of CO2. So, we now have 6 CO2. It means that carbon is now balanced. Are you following? Now, how many hydrogens do we have on the right? We have 12 hydrogens on the right. Now, on the left, we have only 2 hydrogen atoms. So, what do? We add a 6 in front of H2O, and of course, this is 6 times 2, which is simply 12. So, we have 12 hydrogen atoms on the left, 12 hydrogen atoms on the right. So both carbon and hydrogen are what? Balanced. Are you following? Now the next is simply oxygen. So how many oxygen atoms do we have on the left? So simply 6 times 2 is simply 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So we have 18 oxygens on the left. Let's count how many oxygens we have on the right. So we have 6, all right? And then we have only 2. So 6 plus 2 making 8. So the only thing to do is to add a 6 here. Do you understand? And of course, this is simply 6 times 2, which is 12. 12 plus 6 is 18. So meaning that on the left, all right, let's see, left hand side, all right, we have carbon. We have carbon is equal to 6, okay, oxygen is equal to 18, all right, and hydrogen is equal to 12, okay. So let's check the right hand side. Are you following? So in this very case, let's see, carbon is equal to 6, all right, oxygen is equal to 6 plus 12 making 18, all right, and hydrogen is simply equal to 12. So you see, we have 6 carbons on the left, 6 carbons on the right, 18 oxygens on the left, 18 oxygens on the right, and 12 hydrogen on the left, 12 hydrogens on the right. So the equation is balanced, and this is simply the equation for photosynthesis. I still remain teacher Luca. Should you have questions, feel free to reach out. Should you have positive comments, feel free to use the comment box, all right? Thank you. And of course, do not forget, this is a 6-6 equation. It's a very simple equation for photosynthesis. Thank you and bye. Basic biology.